Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to log into OnlyFans. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the web browser on a device and go to onlyfans.com. You can log into OnlyFans using your email address, Twitter account, and your Google account. In this video, I will be using my email address. So enter your email address and enter the password to your account. If you forget your password, tap Forgot Password and reset it. When done, tap Login. So that's how you log into OnlyFans. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.